As the years go by, the popularity of the Air Max 1 has increased, but there is one feature that has diminished noticeably: the size of the apparent air bubble. Go big or go home was Tinker Hatfield's crazy idea when he decided to expose the air unit, and the original Air Max 1 design certainly did that. The Air Max 1, Air Max 96-2, and Air Max 95 have the smallest visible air units, which has led to the most criticism from Air Max aficionados as Nike re-engineers its Air Max classics for a contemporary market. With the return of the Air Max 1 Big Bubble in its original red hue in 2023, one of those mega fans, Bubble Cop, has given us all reason for optimism. The early wear test sample serves as an illustration of what Nike has accomplished, and it is clear how much bigger it is than the remainder of the midsole in the standard Air Max 1 model. Perhaps the original size will remain in the finished retail product. Whatever the case, one of the major products to anticipate as Nike celebrates the 35th anniversary of the Air Max 1 is the reintroduction of the Big Bubble model. On March 26, 2023, the Nike Air Max 186 Big Bubble will be back.